summer, MSD completed a streambank restoration at this site, so we want to keep the streambank from eroding away, so we're planting some trees at this site. The trees will hold the soil in place with their root systems.
Trees along waterways are really important for shading the waterway. It lowers water temperatures, it improves dissolved oxygen levels, provides habitat to the aquatic life. So we're using a technique called live staking. This is where we harvest branches of trees like willows, sycamores, things that grow along riparian or stream sides, and we harvest the branches, and those get just shoved in the ground, and they grow roots. It's like propagating the plants. It's a really cost-effective way of growing up the stream bank.
We do projects like this all the time. Most people don't realize that MSD does take care of the stream banks and stream corridors, and we do stream restoration and stream bank stabilization every year, all year long.